Sit. Mm. Hi, welcome back to our channel, The Exploring Bees. And today we are in Madhya Pradesh, Kanha, which is a beautiful forest. And we are staying at Club Mahindra's. So today we are going to take you through our resort and show you all that is there for us to explore. Come. This is the entrance, and I'm taking you to the reception area. So this was their reception area, and this is their beautiful resort. So this resort spans nearly 15.5 acres. So it's quite a decent resort, widely spread with lots and lots of empty spaces. The landscaping done is very beautiful. You'll see it in the video. So we'll show you the resort beginning with the Happy Hub. Okay. So then we put the Happy Hub ka video. So here we have the Happy Hub here and the restaurant right ahead of us. Just look at this beautiful big lawn, lush green, and you'll find such 5 to 6 lawns throughout this property. The best part here is just look around. You'll find all these tents, almost 10 to 12 tents all around, and so beautifully placed. And today's climate, today's weather, hi, it's so beautiful and relaxing. So our evening stroll here is must.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Well, look at this beautiful place. And during the winters, I'm sure people will really enjoy lighting a bonfire with family. I mean, it must be a really amazing time. Club Mahindra really is so thoughtful. They think of everything, and it's just not crowded, so spacious. Lots of space throughout the property. And I'm sure kids will like this place the most because this is a cute little cozy place for the children to play, like an outdoor activity area for the children. Slides, swings, a seesaw, basketball court. This resort is actually a forest resort built in a forest, in the Kanha forest, without disturbing the nature. And Club Mahindra really takes good care in protecting the nature, like what's written here. We don't cut large bushes and trees, allowing insects to breed, and thus inviting all the birds to breed here and increase the nature's population, which in turn makes this place even more beautiful. So that's a lovely promise to Mother Nature. And right behind me, you can see these units where you may find a studio apartment or a bedroom apartment. So basically, every unit is named after a tree. Like you have the banyan, you have the sendur, and many more. We are staying right there, sendur. And this is their swimming pool here, and that's Shania. She just loves spending her time here. So most of her time she comes and she swims here at this pool. So that's it for our video. I hope you like this property because we thoroughly enjoyed this resort. We felt so relaxed and refreshed. So please drop in a comment if you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye.